What a gorgeous November day here in our garden on the Southern Gulf Islands. Anyway, this is the calm after the storm, not the calm before the storm, the calm after the storm. And we had a lot of rainstorm, brought a lot of water, flooding to low-lying areas. Well, basically just kind of creeks overflowing the culverts and stuff and overflowing their banks and causing water to go across some of the roads. But I just want to show you this Heteromeles arbutifolia tree we have here in our garden. And you can see the beautiful berries on it here. This one I grew from seed a few decades ago. And I planted it as a little seedling. It came up in one of my seed flats. I think it was Washingtonia fliferos. It came up in the California fan palm seed flat. Seeds I brought in from California. I go, that is definitely not a palm tree. And I wasn't really sure what it was at the time until I planted it here. I grew it at my last location. So I grew it more than a few decades ago. And when I lived on the mainland. So when I moved to this place, I planted it in the ground as a seedling, not knowing exactly what this plant was. So that's what it turned out to be, a Heteromeles arbutifol, or a California holly, and the common name is Toyon. And really beautiful. It's evergreen. It's got the serrated leaves. You can see the serrated edges on the leaves there. Kind of quite leathery leaves like a Arbutus unido. And does very well here. It's growing in our front garden. It flowers before the berries come on. It gets white flowers on it. The butterflies, the bees like it. And this one's growing in very poor soil with a lot of palm trees around it. It's actually just thriving in here. So anyway, try one in your own garden if you can find the seed. And the birds like to eat the berries, which is a good thing, because we like birds. So birds will eat these berries on this Toyon here. And this is a pretty good sized specimen, you know. And if it wants to get bigger, that's fine. But it's, like I say, very drought tolerant and seems to stand up even when we get a dumping of snow. It seems to be okay. And it's cold hardy enough, that's for sure. I believe they're native to the Oregon coast, southern Oregon coast, maybe northern coastal California. You can Google it up. Toyon Heteromeles arbutifolia is the Latin name. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on this channel. Cheers.